Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. My voice is gone. I was at the lake yesterday all day, and I don't know, I think it's like allergies. My voice always does this. We are headed to the lake today. I'm gonna give you guys a boat tour, show you guys what we do at the lake, and take you guys with me to my lake house. Usually we go with like a ton of our friends, not a ton, but like a few other people, but they're not able to make it today, so it's just gonna be me and Giovanni. And I felt like it was the perfect time to like actually vlog and like show you a boat tour, because every other time I just forget. I actually tried to vlog on Memorial Day, babe. Remember? I brought my camera and everything, and then I got too caught up. So it's gonna be a fun day. I need to put sunscreen on. My hair is braided. I literally just slept in it like this last night.
Go brush your teeth.
Okay, I gotta put sunscreen on too. On my face. Do you want face sunscreen?
I might put some on my body.
Ooh. Oh!
What?
My knee! I gotta take my vitamins. I'm so pale, you guys. Don't want to talk about it. Maybe I'll get some sun today. Deodorant. And then the sunscreen that I use is First Aid Beauty Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. I can't wait to show you guys the new boat. We've had some boat trouble in the past. We bought a boat, I think in 2016, 2017. Well, that wasn't our first boat that we ever had, but we bought that one in like 2017, 2018. It was used, but it was like new to us. And it was our first wake surfing board, wake surfing boat, because the boats before were like ski boats. And so then in 2020, was it? Yeah. In 2020, we got, again, another used boat, new to us. But this one was a little bit newer than the older one, obviously. Because I think the one we got in 2017 was like a 2012, 2010. And then I don't know what, the one that we got in 2020, I don't know what year it was. But it was just another wake surfing boat, just a little bit newer and nicer than the old one that we had. And the computer system like messed up and it wasn't working. So then all last summer, because that was 2020, yeah, all last summer we had to use the boat that we got in 2017 because our new one wasn't working. So then this year in December we bought a 2021 Malibu, I don't even know what it is, I'll show you guys and get my dad to talk about it, but it is so nice. It's literally got the coolest features ever on it, and it's just like the best boat we've ever had, obviously, because this one's brand new and before we've only bought like used boats and stuff. And so I'm really excited to show it to you guys. Okay, just brushed my teeth, but I also forgot to mention this bathing suit from Shein. I'll have a link down below. It's not the same one that I mentioned in my vlog. It is the same one, but it's not the same color. It's a different color. Kind of looks the same though. I just didn't want you guys to think all I wear is the same bathing suit. But no, I just really like this one. This one's in a size small. The one in my vlog, if you guys watched it, was a size medium. And I like the fit of this one better by a little bit. Putting over time on the body. I think I'm just going to wear this t-shirt. Normally I wear like a cute lululemon outfit, but I don't have anybody to impress and I'm just lazy today. So this is what we're gonna wear. Guys, my video with Lululemon just went live. Woo! I would scream, but I don't have a voice. But yeah, so if you guys haven't seen my video with Lululemon, go check it out. I'll have it linked in the description, but they finally sponsored your girl, so I'm very happy about that. Also, I just want to thank you guys for all your sweet messages and comments after my video talking about my anxiety. I did not expect to get such a good like response, and it just made me so happy and made me feel so much better. And I really honestly didn't know how many people actually deal with panic attacks. I know a lot of people deal with anxiety, but I didn't know how many people actually deal with like panic attacks. And even though I wouldn't wish that upon anybody, it was just kind of comforting to know that like I wasn't alone, and you guys are just literally the sweetest. And I read every single comment that was on that video, and I'm gonna try out all you guys' recommendations for dealing with like panic attacks and anxiety. I already bought some stuff on Amazon that you guys recommended, and I've tried some other techniques, so thank you guys so much. I'm already feeling like a lot better. I haven't had I haven't had a panic attack since the last time I told you guys I had one, but my anxiety's also been a lot better, and I'm finally feeling like normal. So just wanted to update you guys on that, and thank you guys so much. I was getting so many comments, so many DMs, and it literally means the world to me. And I was very nervous for that video to go up because I was being very vulnerable, but seeing your guys' support and just response to that video overall just made me feel so good about it, and I just wanted to thank you guys. So anyways, we're heading to Biscuitville, and then we're gonna be on our way to the lake. He's driving my car. Say hello.
How are you guys? My neck is very sore from yesterday.
Yeah, he wake surfed yesterday. I didn't, and he got thrown around. I wasn't gonna get in the water today because I just washed my hair, but since I'm vlogging, I'm gonna have to show them.
Yeah.
But anyways, it's kind of cloudy, so I'm hoping it clears up. What you doing?
Scrolling through Lululemon.
I've turned him into a monster. Show him what you like. That shirt you like. It was right there. He likes that one. And that one. I really like that one. That's like one of his favorite t-shirts. You should have worn your Lulu swim trunks today.
I wore them yesterday.
Yeah. I know, but I wanted to show the vlog.
No, you said something else.
Mom, say hey to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Show them your outfit. Where's it from?
Lululemon.
All of it. It's really cute. I can't believe I never got that top. It's old, but oh my gosh, I need it. Here's a little outside tour. There's our new golf cart. I'll show you guys, hang on. That's our old one, the white one. And then we just got this one. This is so nice. The red one matches our boat in my car. All right, guys, we're on the dock. Here's our jet skis. That's the one, we got that one last year. It's a 2020. I think is it supercharged or turbo? Supercharged, and then that one we've had for a couple years. And then we just sold one of our old ones to get that one. And then here's the boat. It's a 2021 wake setter. Y'all, it is sick. It is so nice. I'll show you guys when we get in. But it is the coolest boat I've ever seen. It's got built-in heaters. I don't know if you guys can see like down there. Those are like built-in heater things. You can pull them out. And if it's like cold at night, those seats can be folded down to a step stool. The screen is all like computerized. What other features? It's got nice speakers.
This built-in step right here. It's ready down.
Yeah, no, I showed that.
I would say something else, but they don't know. I don't know if they know about this. It's got like the built-in what's that thing for the when you wake surfing? The surf gate.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's got a built-in surf gate. I don't even know if a lot of people know what wake surfing is. It's not wakeboarding, it's wake surfing, where you're on a surfboard and you're like literally surfing it. You're not holding onto a rope, and you don't put your feet in anything. You're just standing on the board like normal surfing. But to do that on a boat, you have to have something called a surf gate, and on our old boat, we had to buy one that was like $500, and you had to stick it on the side of the boat every time you wanted to surf, and it was so annoying. But this one has a built-in surf gate, and it automatically comes out when you're going the speed that you go for surfing. Or maybe you can just press the button. I'm not sure, but that's really nice. So it can make the waves so you can surf. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna get in the boat. Can we climb in there?
Yeah, I need to bring a box now to get those old white things.
There's the cup holder. The control back here. So you can literally sit back here while somebody's surfing.
You might as well put these in there too.
There is our old boat. Right there. Hi guys, so it's a few days later. It's actually Tuesday, so I filmed that video on Sunday. So it's now Tuesday and I didn't end off the vlog after wake surfing, the clip that you guys just saw. We went to the marina and ate, and then I didn't get any footage there, so sorry. It was me, G, and my friend Jordan that you guys have seen before, but she met up with us. But we went to the marina and ate, and then we went back and rode jet skis. And I got GoPro footage, but I think, like, I literally can't find it. Like, I have no idea what happened. I think I accidentally put it on a time-lapse video or something. Not really sure, but we ended up having to tow somebody on their jet ski because they were literally sinking. And so, yeah, it was kind of hectic. Yeah, so I'm coming here to end off the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I played back the footage, obviously, because I've edited it up until this point. But I didn't want to come across as bragging at all. I know you guys know that I'm not trying to brag, but I was just looking back at the footage and I was like, I hope they don't think I'm like trying to brag about my dad's boat, because I'm not at all. I just wanted you guys to see it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you want me to do more of these in the future, I definitely will get some jet ski footage and more footage like that. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.